See?
Yeah.
Anyways, we have to make sure that the air is actually coming out. So we spray water. I think it's coming out. Look at you. And then we get this one. So some of them have the same thing where it's kind of like spiraled and it has the little grabby part, the little hole, and some of them will come out separately like this. But if it's like this, you always want to start with a spiral one. So you find the hole again. I found it. And then you hit it like that. And then you do it again. This is to make the hole bigger. Try to make it as straight as possible. Así como las películas. Por cierto, tenemos el compresor aquí.
Eso espero. Una de las camionetas.
And then this. Sometimes you don't have it. They don't come with it. But this is just to kind of like pour it on this thing. Which, by the way, you're gonna take out. It's like beef jerky. ¿Verdad, Gio? Así es un beef jerky. Yo nunca he comido beef jerky. And then you put this through here. Oh, not like that. Like that. And then, oh, there we go. You can kind of go like, oh, see. And we replace this. Creo que se puede hacer un poco más. And pues así manejas.